How to use the Pending Trades feature. There are two ways to open a pending trade. To place a pending trade at a specified time, select an asset, set the date and time to open the trade. Specify the minimum payout percentage at which the trade will open. Specify the expiry period and the amount of the trade. Select the direction of trade. To place a pending trade at the price of an asset, select the asset, specify the price and payout percentage at which the trade will open. Also, specify the period and the amount, and make the trade. Set conditions for entering a trade in advance and track pending trades in the current tab. If necessary, cancel trades at any time before they are opened without loss of funds. To do this, click on the cross. Top up the balance in time for the pending trade to open at the moment you set. The maximum period of validity of a pending trade is no more than 7 days. Trade and earn at your convenience with Packet Option.